Okay, here's an update video walkthrough of where we're at so far. Go into the garage, through the future mudroom with laundry off to the side, into the dining and kitchen area with a pantry off to the side, and a sliding glass door to a covered patio. And then into the great room. Then back toward the main door. We have our hallway with coat and linen closet, a guest bedroom, and then another bedroom that we'll probably use as an office that has great views. And then next is the hallway bathroom, and on to the master bedroom. Into the master bath. And walk-in closet. And then we'll take a shortcut down to the basement. On our left, we'll have our home theater with storage area here, cold storage in the back. This will be 2 separate bedrooms, along with our HVAC room here. Bathroom back here with another bedroom on the left. And that is where we're at so far.